We have so much radiation from electronic devices on this planet, so it breaks our natural connection with this planet. This planet has higher consciousness, and it can give us the right instructions for our DNA, how our cells should divide. I do this mental training every day, sometimes twice a day, every time I have been in a shopping mall or another place where there is a lot of radiation. I just close my eyes and I address this communication to my higher mind, my I am presence, my angel, my soul. I ask my soul to repair my DNA. And I ask my soul to clear my earth soul, my earth aspect, my animal self. I ask more energy, my soul to send more soul energy to my physical body. So I can stretch my energy roots to this planet and anchor my soul to this planet. This is our goal, to connect with Earth, not with the artificial intelligence. Please be aware where your consciousness is. Where does it take you? Because Mother Earth is the mother who gives you energy to be able to cope, to be alive on this planet. Connect with Earth every morning and every time you feel distressed or unhappy or stressed. Just close your eyes and let your mind take you to the core of this earth, to the heart of the Mother.